video to fix your Fortnite voice chat problems once and for all. Do you find yourself unable to hear your teammates or talk to your friends while playing on your console or computer? This annoying issue usually happens because of small glitches in the game files or incorrect settings that prevent the microphone from connecting to the server. Most other videos you see on social media use long and confusing steps that just waste your time and leave you frustrated. Here at Rexis, we make things easy for everyone to understand. There are exactly 4 proven methods to fix this error, and I guarantee that at least one of them will work for you, even if your voice chat seems completely broken right now. You should pause the video right now to try these fixes one by one, or take screenshots of what you see so you do not miss anything important. These 4 secret techniques tackle the problem from different angles to ensure your audio returns to normal immediately. I will not waste your time with long explanations because I want you to get back into the game and start winning matches with your squad. Make sure you follow every single method carefully as they appear, because skipping just one might mean your mic stays silent. Please follow the methods step by step as they show on the screen right now.